Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice, the Shopping Saga. So we're at Walmart. My family's gonna go in on the market side. I'm going in on the home and pharmacy side. Watch the girls take a detour. All right, let's see what they got going on in here today. Some bubbles for 96 cents. There's some chalk for 98. What's this? The roller chalk, $3.96. Some more bubble sticks for $3.96. The gazillion bubbles are $5.86. I remember taking my son to the gazillion bubble show, and they put them inside a big bubble. I haven't taken the girls. These are $14.94, $14.94, $16.93, and $3.96. Goofy Foot spray chalk, chalk in a can, wash off with water. Okay, that's different. They had these big Care Bears, the jumbo plush baskets, are the Peeps jumbo plush baskets. These are $25 right here. Well, that's not a peep or a something. I guess they're all like $25. Oh, look. It's that one. It's this one. It's the Peeps. There's the Peeps one. These are also $25. The duck, the cat, $25. The hangers are $10, $35 for the baskets, and these are $35 for the big Peeps. These things are huge too. They're huge. It seemed like so many people were in here when we walked in, where we were walking in, but it's quiet. So it's a limited edition Meyers. There's Daisy, Rose, Blueberry, Lilac, and Mint. Oh, look, some more bubbles. We're not going to spend a lot of time over here. It's literally a wall full of bubbles. We missed the bubbles. The Mickey Mouse ones at Sam's Club and the Bluey. But they have these at Walmart. These are $13. I got this one for her, and it stopped working. Oh, look at those. $9.84. Let's go check out some clothes. These purses by Time and True. This size is no price. Okay, these are 20. So these are 20. The ones up here, these are crossbodies, are 8. It's the brown, the green, and the blue. And these are 23. Same colors, the blue, black, brown. This is a smaller one. Wait, so these are 24. These are 23. And these down here are 26. 23. Black, yellow, brown, mint. And those are 23. Black, yellow, brown, and red. A few of these. These are 18. Also comes in the brown color. And these are 17. All right, let's see what's going on in these dresses. These are 18. I like this dress. It comes in this color and a brown. It's these, by No Boundaries. These are 10. I think we saw these. Yeah, we did. We saw that one. And this one is 10. Regular tank top dress. And then there's the t-shirt dresses. Comes in the black and white. And these are 10. These are 18. I believe we saw those too. Look at these new little sets right here. These are 13. It's blue. Oh, that's a great color. The pink, the blue, and the black. And what are these? These are 20. I only see blue and black. Oh, look at these shoes. 17. Time and True. And these are 17. Oh, they also have these in the heel. 25. We did look at quite a few women and kid shoes last time, so I don't think it's gonna be any shoes in here. Let's see, just taking a little quick browse. Yeah, we did. We saw all of these. These are 16 by Justice. Spotting some new PJs. This location always gets the new PJs first. These are Joyspun. That set is 15. Tank top and the shorts. Or you can do this top is 10 and the pants are 13. Those. And there's this print right here. Oh, it was a solid blue one too. The yellow print, and look at the solid blue print. A new nightgown print. This one, these are $8. Trying to fix it, it's jammed up in there. This one, they threw a little Minecraft shirts up there. Let's see. I think those were here already. Let's see, any new pants? Okay. These are newer. 15 for those dresses. These are perfect for Mother's Day gifts. Those sets are 10. And then here's some more dresses for 15, and then some more prints. They have strawberry shortcake and Care Bears. The gown is 13. And these tops are 10, and then they have the bottoms. The pants are 13. The shorts are 10. All right, let's take a peek in the kids section and see if there's some new items. This doesn't go here, but this is 14. Let's see. Oh, look at the bluey one. I guess it does. It is in the right spot. That's 14. Oh, and look, Mickey. 12. I was in this section yesterday and I picked up some things for Sky. I said I have to come back. I was pressed for time yesterday. Pressed for time, but there's a Rolling Stone one, Woody, and there's a Barbie. The Barbie is cute. And Miss Rachel. Some of the 2-pack dresses. Let's see, there's this one. And then we did see these. We saw these a while back. These are $10. The strawberry shortcake. And it's like 4 more. Hold on, let's see. This one. The price on these with the 2 are $15. And Stitch. We did see these little sets last time. These are trickling down too. The dresses. These are $7. The rompers by Carter's. It's a truck. What's that on there? Koala bear. These are 16 Carter's. That's a cute strawberry dress. That is 10. And look at the sun. We did see these the last time too. Look at all the cute sun shades with the cases. These are 5. That red is cute. Have a lot of cute purses over here for 9. Strawberry taking over. $10. I didn't see this one yesterday. It's so cute. For 9. I've been seeing this style a lot. These are 16. And it comes in the pink, black. There's a blue, cream, and green. These are 10. These are 15. And then look at these little dresses right here. These are 16. The pink, green, purple, and red. These are 10 in the bigger girls. It's a Hello Kitty strawberry shortcake. They didn't have this print in the little girls, but this is mini. It's Bluey. Barbie. The princesses. And these are 6. Butterfly. And they're just coming out with their limited edition summer scents. So it's the Southern Lilac Morning, Georgia Peach Orchid, Sweet Watermelon Vine. And these were here last year, but they bought them back. Summer Berry Pickin', Apple Mango Sunshine, Sweet Watermelon Vine, Southern Lilac, Apple Mango Sunshine. I don't remember seeing that one last year. The Apple Mango Sunshine, Spring and Renewal. These are 6, $5.48. They have some of the tops and bottoms. The bottoms are $7.98. The tops are $7.98 for the boys. Let's see. $9. These tops are $17. SpongeBob, Minecraft. Who's this? Looks like Jurassic Park. Spider-Man, Stitch, Bluey, and Ninja Turtles. Jaws. Ninja Turtles. A Keurig K Iced. This is $70. And let's see if they have any new candles. Raspberry Peach Rosé, Bright Hibiscus, Frosted Berry Cupcakes, Juicy Watermelon. These are $6. Warm Apple Pie, Starlight Skies. I feel like we've seen all of those. Pomegranate, appletini, juicy watermelon, iced caramel. Yeah. All right. This looks like a new little collection. $30, $25. That's $17. It says every day. Oh yeah, it is every day by Martha Stewart. $20. Stainless steel kettle. $13. 2-piece non-stick rack. The 4-piece non-stick carbon steel bakeware set. These pots are $35. These are $40. The cast iron, this one is $60, this one is $40. And these sets are $100. Green and that cream color. Some tea fall. And what are these? Carrot. Bon appetit. These sets are $80. And in the tasty sets, these are $60. The 12-piece cookware set by Diamond Table, this is $80. All right, and this is $10. Just popped over here, buy some toys. $15. This is $30. 2 rides in 1. The radio flyer. The Cutopia, we did see these last time. The Barbie, I think these are so cute. For $16. A little workout one. Does he go in here? Oh, they just stuck him in here. Yeah, they did. We did take a look at these in the other Walmart, but they just have these packaged a little differently. So it's the Axe. It's the cherry spritz. You know what? No, we didn't see these. The watermelon freeze. We did see the aqua bergamot. There's blue lavender, purple patchouli, and black vanilla. Oh, this is cute. Barbie, so it's a makeup kit. Let's see. A keychain with the lip gloss kit. And nails and nail polish. And this is like a palette. Yep. That's cute. Cute little display. And there's also Hello Kitty. I don't see the prices on anything over here. There's Hello Kitty. Here's the lip gloss, the nails, and these lip glosses. That's cute though. And look at these Fabuloso scents. It's a watermelon, peach, and a tropical spring. These are $5. All right, thank you guys for joining me in Walmart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.